Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Alex and I have a channel here on YouTube where I love to share easy hair tutorials. Now today's hair tutorial is 4 hairstyles that you must try for spring. These hairstyles are perfect for the warmer weather because they just help get your hair up off your neck, all while still being really cute and trendy. Now, these hairstyles can be done with or without extensions, but I love to use my 220 gram set. This is in the color Ash Blonde, and these are my secret for making my braids really big and voluminous. So let's go ahead and get started. This first hairstyle is a braided top knot, perfect for getting your hair up off your neck when it's hot, and I'm going to share with you a hack for this hairstyle. First step, section off all of the hair at the top of your head and just clip it out of the way for now. Next, we want to French braid the remaining sections. So gather all of the hair that's above your temples, and then you want to divide this into 3 equal sections. For a French braid, you just bring the right strands over your middle strands, and then you bring that left strand over the middle strand. And you can see this starts the foundation for our braid. Next, on the right side, gather your hair that's just above your ear and join it into that right section, and then just bring it over the middle section. Repeat the same steps on the left side, gathering the hair that's above your ear on that left side, gather it into your left section, and then bring it over the middle. Then continue French braiding down the remainder of your head, and once you've reached the nape of your neck, you just want to continue braiding until you reach the end. Once you've reached your ends, my favorite part, pancaking the braid. So make sure you're holding on to the end of your braid, and if your hair's on the shorter side, you can secure it with a hair elastic. And then you just want to pull on the sides of your braid to make it nice and large. That way it will stand out. Once you're happy with your braid, unclip your top section and smooth it back, and then you just want to join your braid into it and create a ponytail. This is going to give the illusion of an upside down French braid without having to braid upside down, because that can be tough. And once you have a ponytail, create your favorite top knot. I like to rough my hair up a little bit, and then I just gently twist it around itself to create a loose bun. And then I secure it with a lot of bobby pins, and that's it. This second hairstyle is my favorite. It's a high bubble ponytail, and it's so trendy and chic. First, I want to show you how to clip in Luxies for this hairstyle to help add volume and length. Gather a small section of hair at the crown of your head or wherever you want your ponytail to sit, and then tightly secure with a hair elastic, and it should look similar to this. Next, I'm taking a 3-clip weft, and starting at the top, I'm just clipping it into place around my ponytail, and it fits perfectly. Feel free to add as many wefts as you need. Next step, comb back the rest of your hair and just gather it around that first ponytail. Once your hair is gathered, secure it tightly with a hair elastic, and no one would ever know that there are extensions under there. Time to create the bubbles. So hold your ponytail, and you want to tightly secure a small hair elastic about 2 to 4 finger widths down on your ponytail. And if your hair is shorter, I would keep them closer together. Once secure, begin pulling on all sides of this section. You can instantly see the bubble forming. So make sure you're pulling on the sides, the front, and the back to help create a nice round bubble. Guys, this hairstyle really takes no time. Once you're happy with your first bubble, again, place a hair elastic about 2 to 4 finger widths down and make sure that it's nice and tight. And then pull on all sides of your section until your bubble is as big or as small as you like. And go ahead, repeat this as many times as you like down the remainder of the ponytail. I did a total of 4 bubbles, but I'd love to see what you come up with. And if you have lots of layers in your hair, I might suggest curling it first. That way it will give it a more effortless appearance. So there we have it. This third hairstyle is an easy, low, twisted ponytail. First step, to create the twists, we need to section off the sides of our hair. So trace down from the back of your part to the right side of the nape of your neck and just place the section out of the way for now. Repeating the same steps on the left side, trace from the back of your part to the left side of the nape of your neck and then just clip it out of the way. So I just sectioned my hair off below my ears and clipped in one 3-clip weft. And then just below the clips, I clipped on another 3-clip weft right onto that first one. It's just a really quick way to add in your extensions. Next, gather all of your hair in the back and secure it into a low ponytail. Then pull up on small pieces of hair around the crown to help create texture and volume. Time for the twists. Starting on the right, divide your section in half by gathering all of the hair that's above your temples. And you just want to loosely twist this section and begin pulling on the twists to help fluff them out. And then just bring it across the back of your head. And you want to bobby pin this into place on the opposite side of your ponytail. Again, on the left side, take all of your hair above your temples and begin twisting it and pull on small sections of your twists to fan it out. And then just bring it across the back and bobby pin it on the opposite side of your ponytail. Now, with the remaining section starting on the right, you just want to wrap it up and around your ponytail, and this is also going to cover the ends of your twists. And then on the left side, same thing, wrap it up and around your ponytail, and then you just want to secure all of your ends together with a small hair elastic. And there we have it. The fourth hairstyle are these voluminous fishtail braids. This hairstyle is so cute for spring, especially paired with a sun hat. Extensions are the secret to create big, voluminous Pinterest braids. So to place them in, just divide your hair down the back into 2 equal sections. I'm going to take one 4-clip weft and I just fold it in half and clip it onto itself like this. And then, dividing my right section of hair in half, I'm just going to clip in that 4-clip weft. So just be sure it's in the middle of this section so it's not visible from the back. And then repeat the same steps on the left side. I clipped my 4-clip weft onto itself and then placed it in the middle of my section. Now time to start our messy fishtail. I'm going to show you 2 techniques on each side. So starting on the right side, just divide your hair into 2 equal sections. Now you want to take a medium-sized piece from the outside of your right section and cross it over top and join it into the left section. Now with the left section, take a medium-sized piece from the outside and then cross it over the top and join it into the right section. So again, take a medium to small size piece from the outside of your right section and then cross it over the top and join it into your left section. And then take a medium to small piece from the outside of your left section and then cross it over and just join it into your right section. So the technique on this side is I'm using my index finger to section off a piece of hair from the outside of my section and then handing it over to my other hand and joining it into the other section. I find this to be the quickest way to power through a long fishtail braid. So you want to continue this pattern, alternating the sizes of your sections to help create a more effortless and detailed appearance. Once you're halfway down, go ahead and pull on small sections of hair at the top of your braid to help add more detail and volume. So continue braiding until you reach the end of your section, and if your arms get tired halfway through, you can always grab larger sections to speed it up. Once you're done braiding, it's time for the best part, pancaking the braids. This completely transforms them. So starting at the top, use your index finger and thumb and just pull on the outside of the braid to help it appear larger and more voluminous. And this is where the extensions start to shine. Once your braid is big and chunky, secure it off with a hair elastic, and I'll show you a cute way to hide it. Grab a piece of your hair elastic and slide your finger into it to hold it open, and then begin wrapping a small piece of hair around your braid above the hair elastic. Once you've reached the ends, just pull them through that hole and it should cover your elastic right up. Now on the left side, I'll show you another technique in case you're still having trouble with the fishtail braid. So once you've divided your hair into 2 equal sections, you want to repeat the same steps. So grab a medium-sized piece from the outside of your left section and cross it over, placing it into the right section. Now this time I'm using my index finger and thumb to grab the outer sections before I'm crossing them over. This technique can take a little bit longer, but this is the original way I learned to fishtail, so I thought maybe it would help you guys out. So continue the pattern all the way until you reach the end of your hair, and remember to grab different size sections to help give the fishtail braid more detail, and the larger sections you grab, the faster this will go. Once you've reached the end, go in, pancake your braid, make it as large and voluminous as you want, and then secure it off with a hair elastic, and we're done. So there we have it. I hope these spring hairstyles helped inspire you to try something new with your hair. I'd love if you left a comment down below letting me know which look was your favorite. And if you do end up recreating any of these hairstyles, don't forget to tag Luxy and use the hashtag Luxy Hair. That way we can all see your recreations. But I'd just like to thank you guys so much for watching. For more Luxy hair tutorials, just click over here. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for some more easy hair tutorials. The link will be in the description box below. So thank you again, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.